it's Kivia. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I'll be doing a Christmas in July DIY, and what better way to get in the spirit than to go to Hobby Lobby. I know it's super early for this, like way too early, but I figured I would bring a little cheer to the channel, and I hope you all enjoy this video. Things you'll need for this project are some shower curtain rings. I picked mine up from the Dollar Tree. I did pick up 10 packs, but I only used 8 for all 3 trees. And some paper mache cones. I did get these from Hobby Lobby, and a hot glue gun. Before we get started, let's get into my Christmas Story shirt. Definitely one of my favorite movies during the holidays. And my top picks are definitely Home Alone 1 and 2. I'll actually watch these all year round. I was supposed to set the theme by watching A Christmas Story since I was wearing the shirt, but I wanted to watch Home Alone, so let's get started. So the cones are basically just to help you shape the rings into a tree shape, but you will not glue the rings to the cone, you're just gluing them together. Make sure you snap the rings in place before you start gluing so they'll stay together. I basically just started gluing the rings in a circle, keeping the shape of the cone until I reached the top.
making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you, baby.
Now, I'll be honest, this was a bit tricky. I got this trend off TikTok and she made it look so easy, but of course I didn't see the whole process. Mine didn't turn out the best, but we don't waste content over here, so y'all gonna get these crooked gangster lean trees and just try to do a better job than I did, okay?
Everyone else, isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Okay, friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoy. I may have one or two more DIYs I would like to share with you all before the month ends, so stay tuned for that. I also want to share some Christmas decor memories in a video. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that. Until next time, my friends, take care.